If you watch closely, you're going to see on my watch that it's after 11 o'clock already this morning, and I haven't done anything on my Bismarck yet. Did a little bit of grocery shopping, and by that time the hobby store opened up, and by the time I got back to this hobby store, well, here we are. Normally by now I'm about halfway through an episode, so this episode's probably going to be kind of short. Now, as you can see here, I have bought some flexible Tamiya tape here. Masking tape was recommended, and also the X22 was recommended, the clear coat. So I'm going to be sort of experimenting with that, not necessarily today, but in the near future. Anyway, let's get going here, try and get something done. I'm drawing the second line pretty much the same way I did the first one. And I remember from the first one, I have to be careful not to be pushing too hard when I'm going around the back, or maybe I should say the stern, because as well as pushing the lead back, it wants to push it down, and then you'll get sort of a, well, you might say a false reading. Anyway, I did measure the difference in the two heights, and it looks like it's about 7.5 millimeters difference. At least that's what I got by measuring the block of wood. Okay, I've got a piece here about 6 inches long, and it is my hope that I'll be able to just leave the line. Just leave the line, because I want the gray, which is going to be from here on, to cover that pencil line. You know what? I've got the wrong glasses on here. I can hardly see this. My, this scratch is easy. I am going to have a lot of touching up to do. Okay, once again I'm going to adjust this so that I can see it really good. But you can sort of see that this stuff does flex. You know, as well as bending this way, it bends this way. I think I pretty well got it here. One more piece to go. Well, I'm almost finished cleaning the airbrush. Just a couple more minutes and then we'll pull this paper off and see what we got here. I think I just did that with the scissors. I'm not sure. Well, there's our black band. So far, so good. Now let's turn it around and take a look at the stern. Well, not too bad. Yep, got some touch-up to do. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and all being well, we'll see you tomorrow.